Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can put makeup on your face using CapCut application. Alright guys, first of all, I'm going to open my project in my CapCut application. Then for example, I'm going to put makeup on this girl's face. So first of all, we can click on the video and scroll all the way to the right until you find the retouch option. Click on it and click on face, and here we can choose makeup since we want to put makeup on the face, and you can select the looks that you want to apply to your face. And here are some options for you. You can also customize the eyelashes and eyeshadow right here, and the lipstick as well. You can customize it as you want, but here I'm just going to click on looks, and I'm going to apply this, maybe this California looks. Okay, and this is the result, and I'm going to click on this check mark, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, this is after I apply makeup on this girl's face, and this is before I apply makeup. And I guess that's how we can put makeup on our face using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.